Good day to Doctor. Welcome to our group presentation about the topic of environmental law. Pollution issue that we found is land pollution that happened at Pulau Burang Sanitary Landfill in Nibong Tibel, Penang. Pulau Burang Sanitary Landfill is one of the largest landfills in the country. Operational since 1991, it spans over 145 hectares and serves as a disposal site for municipal solid waste from Penang and surrounding areas. Firstly, we are going to discuss the pollutants that can be found following by their chemical properties, health impacts, and potential interactions. The first pollutant is heavy metals. Heavy metals' chemical properties are persistent, do not degrade easily, and soluble in water, then spread through soil and groundwater. This can cause neurological damage and kidney damage. It also can bind to organic pollutants, forming more toxic compounds, and mobilized by leachate will then contaminate water. The second pollutant is organic pollutants. They are long-lasting and resistant to degradation. Some of them even evaporate and spread through air. This can lead to cancer risk and hormonal imbalances. They can cause bioaccumulation in food chains and react with heavy metals, causing increasing in toxicity. The third pollutant is methane and carbon dioxide. Methane is flammable and explosive, while both of them are potent greenhouse gases. Methane can cause suffocation in confined areas, and both gases can cause indirect health impacts by climate change. Methane can ignite and lead to explosions. Moreover, they react with oxygen, creating hazards. Then we're going to analyze the environmental issues imposed by law. Firstly, air pollution arises from dust, fumes, and etc. This issue governed by the Environmental Quality, Clean Air, Regulations 2014. Water pollution occurs when untreated wastewater or chemical spills contaminate nearby rivers and groundwater, addressed by the Environmental Quality, Sewage and Industrial Effluents, Regulations 1979. Land pollution stems from improper waste or chemical handling, regulated under the Environmental Quality, Scheduled Wastes, Regulations 2005. Then we continue with legislations or regulations. Environmental Quality Act 1974 provides the foundation for regulating pollution in Malaysia. This overarching law governs air, water, and land pollution, ensuring that construction projects adhere to environmental standards. Then, Environmental Quality, Clean Air, Regulations 2014 sets limits on emissions and airborne pollutants. This regulation ensures pollutants such as dust and emissions from construction are controlled. Next, Environmental Quality, Prescribed Activities, EIA, Order 2015 requires environmental impact assessments, EIA, for prescribed activities. Construction near sensitive ecosystems like Pulau Burang demands an EIA to address potential impacts on biodiversity, water, and land. The next session is interaction with stakeholder. During an interview session with the community, pollution at Pulau Burang Sanitary Landfill was discussed. This is the result of the interview. Here are some evidence of interviewing and pictures that we had taken from Pulau Burang Sanitary Landfill. Last but not least, what are the roles and responsibilities of the engineer on preventive measures? First, in initial analysis and assessment, they should conduct soil studies and environmental impact assessments, EIA. Then they identify sensitive areas and recommend proper waste management procedures. Second, in designing and implementing control systems, they should design infrastructure like drainage and filtration systems, ensuring compliance with regulations and preventing pollutant spread. Lastly, in continuous monitoring and supervision, engineers regularly monitor soil conditions, use advanced technology for detection, and maintain control systems to implement corrective actions promptly, ensuring sustainable environmental management. That's all from us. Thank you.